Hello guys, how's everybody? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use the baking mix flour to make bread. This flour can be used to make pancakes, waffles, chips, and I have used it in my quiche before. It really comes out very delicious. So I'm going to show you how it's done with this. It's very simple. This one that I'm doing is a bit complicated, or if I have to say, but it's so easy. Everything is mixed up in this package. All you just need to do, if you don't want to do all that I'm doing right now, you could just add water and you are ready to go, or milk. I choose to add all this ingredient to give it a little more flavor and make it a little more richer than it is. If you don't have a sweet tooth like I do, that's okay. Just go with the flour mix by itself with water and you're ready to go. I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients, hands washed, all utensils and everything washed. I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients, and I'm not going to measure. So today I'm not doing measure. I'm just going to go grandma style. So I'm going to do the entire pack today. All right, and I'm going to do, this is a teaspoon of nutmeg. You do not have to use the nutmeg. I've used flavors like cinnamon. I've added oregano powder to it before just to give it an herbal taste. So it's just optional. So you mix all your dry ingredients together. I have chia seeds here. I'm going to separate the bread up. I'm going to do one plain and one with chia seeds. And so here we go. I just love the smell so much. All right, so it's done. I'm going to beat up my egg and I will just add it to it. With the eggs, you could do more than 3. You could just do 2, or you could just opt out of the eggs. So you don't need to do the eggs. And I'm going to use 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and or 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to pour it all in here, and then I'm going to add my eggs to it, and then I'm going to mix. Mix till it's all well mixed up, and that's it. I have this water sitting here, but if I did not have, if the milk was not enough, I would just add a little bit of water to it to give me the texture that I want. So far it's good for me and how I want the bread to be, and it's almost ready. Does not require a lot of manpower in mixing at all. I actually do have a mixture, but I'm not using it because it's pretty easy using this. So I'm done. See, that's it. You don't need to let it sit. And whilst I'm going to put it in, this is my mini bread pan. You could definitely use the big ones as well. I'm actually using this as a sample. I'm going to prep my oven. I will usually heat the oven up to 400 preheat and then bring it down to 350 for 45 to 50 minutes when I put the bread inside the oven. So I'm going to add about an ounce of water. If you're doing the entire package as I did, you could choose to do 17 ounces of water, 17 ounces of heavy whipping cream, or half and half. That will give you a very good texture. And I usually would like to bake and leave it in the freezer and get it anytime I need it. Just one at a time anytime I need it, because I'm always on the run. I'm going to add about an ounce of water to the one that I added the chia seeds. So I have 4 plain bread and 4 with chia. You could add your own thing to it. You could add almond to it. You could add flaxseed to it. Anything you just want to come up with adding to this baking mix, it's ready to go. And just enjoy it to the best that you can. Add ingredients that you love. Almost ready to go into the oven. Okay, so it's ready to go into the oven and nice and hot. Okay, it's about 45 minutes into my bacon and it is looking beautiful. So I just turned my oven off and let's see. Look at that. So be very careful. I'm going to get my wrap.
Please note that all true green foods may help improve metabolic health issues like diabetes, high blood pressure. It may lower inflammation and also may aid in weight loss and many more. Best of all, they are all keto and paleo friendly.
I'm going to cut it for you to see. It's a bit still warm, so see. From True Greens Baking Mix Flour. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe so you'll be one of the first to get any video that I post. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Tune in soon for another great recipe from True Green Foods. Thank you.